In chapter tangents and secants, so far we completed exercise 9.2 first and second bit problems are completed. Now in this session I am going to explain third and fourth problem. Both are important in exam point of view. See the third problem. Prove that the parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. See here it is a circle, a parallelogram circumscribing a circle, then we have to prove the parallelogram becomes a rhombus. So consider a circle with a center O and A, B, C, D are a parallelogram. So we have to prove the ABCD parallelogram is a rhombus. So write the given data. Given a circle with center O, a circle with center O, and let the parallelogram ABCD, parallelogram ABCD. Next, what we have to prove? RTP required to prove ABCD is a rhombus. Is a rhombus. We have to prove ABCD, the parallelogram ABCD becomes a rhombus. So for this it is enough to prove. Rhombus means all four sides are equal. So for this it is enough to prove AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. If all the four sides AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA, if you prove all the four sides are equal, then it becomes a rhombus. To prove ABCD is a rhombus, it is enough to prove all the four sides are equal. If you prove this all four sides are equal, then automatically ABCD becomes a rhombus. Now see what we have to do. Observe here, the AB touches the circle only at one point, so let the point of contact is P. BC touches the circle here also only at one point, let the point of contact is Q. Next, CD touches the circle here also only at one point, let the point of contact is R. Similarly, DA touches the circle here also only at one point, let the point of contact is S. So P, Q, R, S. See the proof. P, Q, R and S. P, Q, R and S are point of contacts. Point of contact. If all these are the point of contacts, and see A is an external point for this circle. From external point we can draw two equal tangents to a circle. See, from an external point we can draw two equal tangents to a circle. From external point we can draw two equal tangents to a circle. Here A is an external point, and we can draw two equal tangents, that is AP and AS are the two tangents, and the length of tangents are equal, AP and AS. So here AP is equal to AS, AP equal to AS because A is an external point. From this external point to the circle we can draw two equal tangents, AP and AS. These two tangents are of equal length. So AP equal to AS, say equation number 1. Similarly, observe here the B is also external point to the circle. Then from this external point we can draw two equal tangents, that is BP and BQ. BP and BQ, these two are also equal. So write here BP equal to BQ. Same concept. The same concept is from an external point we can draw two equal tangents to a circle. Now similarly, C is also an external point to the circle. So here also we can draw two equal tangents. The tangents are CR and CQ. CR and CQ. So write first here CR equal to CQ, say equation number 3. And similarly, D is also an external point. We can draw two tangents to the circle and the length of tangents are also equal, that is dr and ds. So write here dr equal to ds, equation number 4. So A, B, C, D are the 4 external points to the common circle. So based on this concept, we form the 4 equations. Now add all the 4 equations, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and the last equation 4. Add all these 4 equations. Add left side quantities separate and right side quantities separate. So first add the left side. AP plus BP plus CR plus DR equal to right side AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS plus DS. Write the pairs AP plus BP, form the pairs CR plus DR equal to, rearranging the terms of right side terms, rearranging the terms AS and DS. So AS plus DS, first term, last term, rearranging the terms. Next BQ plus CQ as it is, no change, BQ plus CQ as it is. So AP plus BP, see AP plus BP, so complete length is AB. The AB divided into 2 parts, AP and BP. So AP plus BP equal to AB. Similarly, CR plus DR, sum of these two sides is equal to complete side CD equal to, next AS plus DS, sum of these two sides is equal to complete length AD plus BQ plus CQ, so complete length BC, BQ plus CQ, complete length BC. What is the value of CD? CD equal to, see ABCD is a parallelogram. If it is a parallelogram, then pair of opposite sides are equal. So pair of opposite sides are equal. So AB equal to CD, AB equal to CD. So put AB as it is, AB plus CD, CD equal to AB, because it is a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Instead of CD, write AB equal to AD, AD equal to, what is the value of AD? AD equal to again BC, because ABCD is a parallelogram, its opposite sides are equal. So instead of AD, write BC, BC plus BC. The reason is ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Now AB plus AB, AB plus AB is 2AB, means 2 times AB. BC plus BC is 2 times BC. 2 get cancelled. AB equal to BC, AB equal to BC. But what is AB equal to? But already AB equal to CD, because the same reason, ABCD is a parallelogram, its opposite sides are equal. So AB equal to CD, AB equal to CD. Observe these two equations, AB equal to BC, AB equal to BC, and AB equal to CD, and also BC equal to AD, also BC equal to AD, BC equal to AD. See, AB equal to BC, these two sides are equal. Suppose this 5 centimeters and this is also 5 centimeters. But already AB equal to CD means AB 5, then CD also 5. And AB, BC are equal, but BC equal to AD, so BC 5, then AD is also 5. Nothing but all these are equal. So from above equations, from above equations, from above these three equations, AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD or D is same, here DA means in parallelogram A, B, C, D, all four sides are equal, then it becomes a rhombus. Hence, A, B, C, D is a rhombus. A, B, C, D is a rhombus because all these four sides are equal. Then the parallelogram ABCD becomes a rhombus. See, fourth question. A triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 3 centimeters such that the segment BD and DC into which BC is divided by the point of contact D are of length 9 centimeters and 3 centimeters respectively. Find the sides AB and AC. See the question in the diagram. ABC is a triangle, circumscribe a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Next, BD and CD into divide BD and CD into which BC is divided by the point D of length BD 9 centimeter and CD 3 centimeters. So find the length of sides AB and AC. We have to find out the length of the side AB and AC. So this is given data. See, let the circle, suppose the circle touches the three sides of a triangle. See, at the point, already it is given BC touches the circle at a point D. BC touches the circle at a point D, and suppose AC touches the circle at a point E. AC touches the circle at a point E, and AB touches the circle at a point F. Now, from external point we can draw two equal tangents to a circle. So here A, B, C are the external points, same as third problem. A, B, C are the external points to the circle. So observe here, if you consider the point B, from this external point we can draw two equal tangents. See, observe orange color lines, BD and BF. These two are the equal tangents drawn from the external point B to the circle, and the length of the BD is given 9 centimeters. The length of BF is also same 9 centimeters. It is also same 9 centimeters. Next, here observe C is an external point. From this C to the circle we can draw two equal tangents. Here the two tangents are CD and CE. The CD length is given 3 centimeters. So CE is also same 3 centimeters. Next, A is an external point to this circle. So we can draw two tangents of equal length. AF and AE are two equal tangents to the circle. And suppose the length of the tangents are x centimeters and x centimeters. We don't know the value and consider the value as x centimeters. So write the given data one by one. See the solution. Given ABC is a triangle. Circumscribe a circle of radius 3 centimeters. Circumscribe a circle of radius 3 centimeters. And what is given? BD length, BC length is, DC length is given. BD equal to 9 centimeters and CD equal to 3 centimeters. It is given in the question. Let the circle touches the sides BC, AC and AB at D, E, F respectively. Let the circle touches the sides BC, AC, AB at D, E and F respectively. Now see, from external point to a circle we can draw two equal tangents. From an external point, we can draw two equal tangents, two equal lengths of tangents to a circle. So here B, C, A are the external points to the given circle. So we can draw two equal lengths of tangents. Here for the point B, BD and BF are the two tangents of equal length. So BD equal to BF equal to 9 centimeter. It is given because these two are the equal tangents drawn from the point B to the circle. Similarly, C is an external point. We can draw two equal tangents, that is CD and CE. Both are same. CD equal to CE equal to 3 centimeters. And also A is an external point. We can draw two tangents, AF and AE. Both are equal. So AE equal to AF equal to say some X centimeters. Say X centimeters. Now find the lengths of the tangents. Now what is the length of AB? AB equal to complete length AB equal to AF plus BF. AF plus BF. AF value X centimeters plus BF value 9 centimeters. So this is X plus 9 centimeters. So length of AB equal to X plus 9 centimeter. Next find out the length of BC. BC is already given 9 plus 3 12, but write BD plus CD. It is equal to 9 plus 3 equal to 12 centimeters. Next find the length of AC. AC equal to the complete length AC equal to AE plus CE. AE plus CE. AE value is given X. CE value is 3. So X plus 3 centimeters. AB value X plus 9 centimeter. BC value 12 centimeters. AC value X plus 3 centimeters. Now observe what is the angle at C. See here. CD 3 centimeters, OD 3 centimeters and CE 3 centimeters. So what is the length of CE? Right, very good. CE also 3 centimeters. Why CE 3 centimeters? Because it is a radius. A line joining from a center to any point on the circle is radius. The line segment joining center to any point on the circle is its radius. So already given the radius 3 centimeters. Then here also it is 3 centimeters. Now what can you say about ODCE? What is ODCE? Yes, ODCE is a square of length 3 centimeters. If ODCE is a square, then what is the angle C? What is the angle at C? Yes, very good. Angle at C is 90 degrees because in a square all the 4 angles are equal to 90 degrees, right angles. ODCE is a square and all the 4 angles equal to 90 degrees. So angle at C is also 90 degrees. So here see, ODCE is a square, then angle at C is equal to 90 degrees. If it is square, then automatically angle at C equal to 90 degrees. Then observe, in triangle ACB, so name the triangle ACB. Yes, it is a right angle triangle, because in triangle ACB, angle at C is 90 degrees. Angle at C is 90 degrees. So here, hence ABC is a right angle triangle. If it is a right angle triangle, then we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. From Pythagoras theorem, apply the Pythagoras theorem for the triangle ABC. So the longest side square equal to sum of the squares of remaining two sides. So the longest side is always opposite to right angle, that is AB. So AB square equal to sum of the squares of remaining two sides. The remaining two sides are BC and AC. So AB square equal to BC square plus AC square. So what is the value of AB? AB equal to x plus 9. So x plus 9 whole square equal to BC. BC is given 12. So 12 square plus AC. AC value is x plus 3. So x plus 3 whole square. See once again, AB value x plus 9, square means AB square means x plus 9 whole square. BC value 12, BC square means 12 square. AC value x plus 3, AC square means x plus 3 whole square. Now observe these two terms in the form of a plus b whole square. So apply a plus b whole square formula. A value x, b value 9. So a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 into a value x, b value 9 equal to 12 square. 12 square value 144 plus again the same a plus b whole square, expand x, a plus b whole square form. A value x, b value 3, a square plus b square plus 2ab plus 2ab. Now x square get cancelled, both are same sign, so cancel. 9 square value 81 plus 2 into x into 9. So multiply first constants. 2 into 9, 18x equal to 144 as it is, plus 3 square value 9 plus multiply here the constant 2 into 3, 6x. Now bring 6x value left side, transpose 81 value right side. So 18x minus 6x equal to 144 plus 9 is 153 plus 81 value right side minus 81. 18x minus 6x. 18x minus 6x value 12x equal to 153 minus 81. 153 minus 81 value 72. Now x equal to transpose 12 value right side, it is in multiplication, right side in division, 72 by 12. So 12 ones are 12, 6 are 72. So x equal to 6 centimeters. X equal to 6 centimeters. So what we have to find out? Find the sides of AB and AC. AB and AC. So AB equal to our required sides, AB equal to x plus 9. X plus 9. X value 6. 6 plus 9 equal to 15 centimeters. The length of AB is 15 centimeters. And next to find AC. AC equal to x plus 3. So x plus 3 equal to x value 6 6 plus 3 equal to 9 centimeters. So AB value 15 centimeters, AC value 9 centimeters.